in our time regarding this matter to be very shallow. Oh, you can give your greetings of Merry Christmas to whoever you want, you can go to the parties, you can put up a tree, and you can have a turkey on the 25th of December. Like what we see in the Muslim communities, if you just go around to the Muslim butchers and ask them, what have you been selling for the past few days? They'll say, all it's going is turkey. Who's buying? The Muslims. Why? Because they have to have their Christmas dinner. Having your Christmas dinner at what? At the expense of your religion, at the expense of watering down La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah in the hearts of your children. Today they sit with you and have the Christmas dinner. Once you're gone, who do you think they're going to be sitting with? And we have people who will not celebrate Eid, who will not celebrate Ramadan, who will not celebrate the Eid that Allah has given us every single week of Jum'ah. Yawm al-Jum'ah is Yawm al-Eid. They won't celebrate Yawm al-Jum'ah as Yawm al-Eid. Yet, when it comes to the 25th of December, they'll celebrate just like the Christians. And they'll say, we have Isa alayhi salam in our religion. Yes, we have Isa alayhi salam in our religion. What did he say? وَأَوْصَانِي بِالصَّلَاةِ وَالزَّكَاةِ مَا دُمْتُ حَيًّا. Allah instructed me to pray and give my zakat so long as I live. Where's that from the teachings of Isa alayhi salam in your life? That can't be found, but the celebration, you take it on. We had a young boy, he was going to a grammar school, he came and he said, Ustad, I'm confused. All of my friends in my class are atheist, and their parents are atheist, and they are confusing me with their questions. We are living in a state like that, where our young are getting confused because of what they are hearing, what they are seeing of different beliefs and different ways. And then we are watering down our religion and assimilating and associating and engaging with everything that comes and goes and making everything acceptable. What's going to be left of our religion? Where are the people of Islam gone? Where have they gone? They have gone so far from the religion, they don't even know if they're Muslim or not. They don't even know what their identity is. They want to change their names into non-Muslim names so they don't get stopped at airports. They are ashamed to say Muhammad as their name, because they might be called names. But the greatest Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was called every name under the sun, yet he stood up with his head high before Allah, accepting all of it in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our youth are leaving Islam. Our young ones are leaving Islam. And we're engaged in this matter of people's celebration of disbelief and insult unto Allah and association of partners unto Allah, when the state of our own selves within our own religion is so bad. What I've just said from beginning to end, there'll be some people who say, what you have just narrated is the extreme Wahhabi opinion. This is not the extreme Wahhabi opinion. This is the mainstream, clear-cut opinion of the Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah from the beginning of time till the end of time. And I'll tell you why some people are saying this too. Why they are saying this? Because they are engaging with people at political, governmental levels and at political levels, and trying to water down our religion. So those who are giving this mainstream opinion of the Ahlul Sunnah, they'll say that's the Wahhabi opinion. This is not the Wahhabi opinion. This is the opinion that we live upon, this is the opinion that we die upon. This is the opinion that we take into our graves, and this is the opinion that we will stand before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with. And that is, لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٌ. For you is your religion, for me is my religion. What people need to wake up to, that there is something deeper and deeper. When we are not strong in the principles of our religion, and we give allowances to these matters, which don't even matter to so many people in the world. I was in Tesco the other day, and there was an English lady speaking to the woman at the counter. She said, well, I don't even celebrate Christmas, I just enjoy my holidays. I thought to myself, if she's saying that, why are Muslims going out of their way that they have to celebrate. I'm going to tell you a scary hadith. You know what the Prophet ﷺ said? He said, people will come into this religion in droves. Allah said in the Quran, إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحِ وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. People will enter into this religion in droves. You know the scary part is? Then he ﷺ said, and people will leave this religion in droves. And if we're not living in that time,